Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph or JPEG or bitmap, part of a logo, I guess, and they want to know how to draw that. Well, if you look, it's a six-sided polygon with triangles in it. So take your polygon, set on six-sided. There's a couple ways to do this. Probably this might be the easiest. Hold down the control button to get a perfect polygon, hit P. And we're going to make it with this dimension from here to here. And with our ratio lock, we're going to make it 12 inches. So now let's take a triangle, which was a three-sided polygon. And let's hold down the control button. And let's go ahead and mirror it so it's like this. And let's make it, with our ratio locked, let's make it 6 inches. Now we can take this one and just grab it and have it snap to. And if you don't have snap to on it, should be right here, snap to object, snap to page. And then set our nudge factor on 6 inches. Hit the plus key on the keyboard and measure that or move that over. Then hit the plus key and mirror that one. And then take and move this one here. You don't really have to flip this one, but we can try it. And we'll mirror it and we'll put it right there. You could actually just draw lines from here. But then and there's some space in there, and that's maybe what they're having problems with also. So we're going to go from right that node to that node. You got to make sure you're on the nodes. And then this one is just straight up. Now we're going to take all those and let's make them something bigger than a hairline. Let's say, well, that might work. Let's go like that deep. Go up to object, and because we've got them all selected, convert the outline to an object. Now, I'm going to go ahead and group this together so we can move it in a second. And then I'm just going to, well, you know what? I'm going to make it the same color. So I'm going to grab my Smart Fill tool and grab the eyedropper and take that color and just drop it in these places. And because we made it an object, we're going to see spaces between them. Now, I can either try to grab just the red, and I did, because you can see down there, and I can just hit delete, and there you have that exact same thing. That's pretty, well, mine's bigger, so I would group it together, and then depending on what size you wanted, you could make it that size. Pretty cool. Hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.